Hey guys, so beautiful day today. Nice and warm. 78 degrees, not 78, 76 degrees. It feels a little warmer though. Apparently they're supposed to have some storms coming through tonight. So it's been a little while since I've done a video on my car. Can't remember probably the last time I did a video on my car was probably since the winter time. Yeah. So it's a Pontiac Grand Am GT. It's a 1999. If you want to know what year your car is, it actually has the date right here. It's kind of hard to see on this camera. Can't really get it to focus. Won't focus on this. The date says 03/99, so that means this car was manufactured in March of 1999. Yep. So I thought I'd do a cold start on it for you guys. If I can get the keys out of my pocket. Oh man, it's hot in here. Oh man. Do a little start up. This is a cold start. It was running yesterday. I was running a couple of errands. Turn the radio down a little bit. This car has got 48,912 miles. I need to get the oil changed in it, and need to get the car inspected because my inspection sticker's about to run out. Alright, so let's see how she starts. Oh yeah, started right up. Yep, got about just under a quarter of a tank of gas. Get some air on in here. And let me get my seatbelt on. Alright guys, so let's go for a little drive here. Put her in reverse. To do this one-handed. Do a little drive over by the gas station, just see how much gas is, and then I'll end the video going to my grandparents' house because they're over at their house down here. So I'm gonna take a little bit, go for a little bit over there for a visit. Alright guys, so you see the price of the gas over there. I just left from there. It's $2.59 a gallon. So a couple days ago I filled up my mom's car. It was about $2.61. So pretty cool. They've gone down 2 cents. Sweet. And here we are, just turned on into the street where my grandparents used to live. Turn in here. Turn in here. Yep. Yeah, they got their van out and put their daily driver in the carport. And you can probably tell I I cut their grass a couple days ago. Yeah, it's looking all nice and green, and it's starting to grow really good. Alright guys, so hope y'all enjoyed this little drive video. Alright, so see you later.